We're looking at Beauty feeding her babies up on the north end of the deck. She's got a nice plump pigeon. Been up there about 5-10 minutes now feeding them. As you can see, it's raining.
You couldn't see that guy walking around in circles over there, could you?
Oh no, I'm watching the birds.
I know, but you'd sometimes look away for a second.
Yeah.
The police just arrested him. I think he was staking out the parking lot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. How are the birds doing? The little birds are ready to fly?
Oh yeah, they're just about ready. Anytime now.
And then they just, they push them out, or?
Oh no, they'll go on their own.
Oh, will they?
And sometimes they'll go accidentally too, like the wind might catch them or they might just slip off the edge. I had one yesterday that almost fell off the north wall up there 3 times. Near gave me a heart attack.
Well, it's interesting.
Yeah.
I told a few people about it, but they were going to look it up on the internet, right? It's on the internet?
Yes.
Yeah. Take care.
You too. Take care. That was the man that runs the parking lot here in the hole. His name is Bob. And we got a little daredevil going out on the wall now. This would not be a good time to go in the rain. Wet feathers weighing them down.